Hello, my name is Rene Alfonso. I am part of the STUD team for fall 2018. The product owner for this project is Robert Hacker. The professor and mentor is Dr. Masoud Sajadi. We're going to be talking about the creating initialization state machine. Let's take a look at the user story. The idea for this user story is that we needed a state machine to control the logic as we are, for example, preparing the connection to the backend, loading the questionnaire, setting the permissions for the user, displaying the splash screen at the same time. It's logic to control what the user sees and what's happening in the background so that it's not just spaghetti code running with a bunch of if statements. We actually have states. And we do this by using the state pattern. So we have this task here. And we use the state pattern, which is a design pattern that makes it very easy to make states that represent a feature or functionality that happens in the state. And everything is encapsulated per state, so because it's object-oriented, you can just go to that state that handles, let's say, the permissions, and something is broken, you can fix it in that state. We also needed to make sure that the UI was reactive, so that when you transition to a new state, then the UI can reflect what's happening in the background. We also created a state machine diagram and the acceptance criteria, because this is the most important part for the user, is that we have to be able to have a UI that reacts to what's happening in the background. If the user is unaware, if they see a black screen, if they see the same screen, and they're not aware of what's happening, then it's a bad user experience. And we discussed this with the customer, and it was agreed that, yeah, we need to show the transitions as something is happening so that the user is aware. That's why we have a loading screen, and then the loading screen will tell you loading, ... Thank you for your time, and please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any feedback or comments. Again, we're following the Agile methodology, so we are open to feedback. Thank you and have a nice day.